Urgent, everybody. I'm Pro Trader Mike. I'm founder of MOJO Day Trading. How's everybody doing today? Let's shoot on over to the main screen. September 6th. It's noontime. Made $7,263.75 in 1 hour today. Show you what we traded because we are a day trading team. I'm in the trenches with my group every morning. I'm doing a recap on YouTube, but I have a private trading group on Discord. If you shoot on over right over here, you'll see my MOJO Day Trading room. I have all the channels. Me up top, I'm moderator with Alan and Gerardo and Mar. Alan's been with me since 2012 for 6 years. Gerardo's been with me for 4 years, and Mar's been with me for 3 years. My pro traders, there's 41 left up here, and then we've got some traders down below. And the picks are all laid out in the stock trading channel. So I'll show you what we did up here this morning, and we'll rock and roll. If you like my video, just give me a like. So likes are important. Give me a thumbs up if you're watching my video, so more people will check out the Moj, and we'll check it out because what else we got? I can't stand to look at these incredible profits coming out of the MOJO Day Trader. And check out this video for yourself if you don't believe me, man. I'm telling you. Call you back, my man. All right, so we got a couple of really cool stocks today. We have traded this morning NBev, this beverage company, New Age Beverage, which is 235, has come back dramatically from a 210 stopping station down here off the bottom right there at 207. We traded that one this morning. People did well on that. I actually lost in that stock. I actually lost 2,550 on the trade. I just bailed on it, and I jumped into ARWR and made that back plus 200. Lost 645 on ABAC, but made my big on TVIX again. TVIX has been my bread and butter. And here's the TVIX. We have a beautiful move from 32 to 35, which I called today. And I'll show you what we did in the MOJO room, how I called all that. So I got us right over here to the MOJO Day Trade room. It's 9:30 in the morning. And right here, let's see how we started the day. 9:05, we're looking at NBev and Mankind. Not trading yet. Until someone comes out with a white paper, I'm thinking about writing one myself on how the average American person can see the value of using Bitcoin over the US dollar and the benefits of that. Nothing's going to change. People have to realize, and people need to switch because it saves them money. a lot of money. It's easier to use. It's not hard to understand. It makes complete sense. It's kind of like the adoption of the cell phone. We have a long road ahead. Maybe this will quiet down some of the bulls that have been calling out crazy target numbers with no valuation. We'll put it into perspective. I hated all the bulls. Keep on touting Bitcoin all the time with no bears in sight. Now hopefully things will settle down and it may go higher because people don't even believe in it now. So hopefully that's going to be the case. My question to you is, Mike, how do you answer the transactions per second? Visa can do millions, but Bitcoin can only do thousands. What's going to happen is there's a second layer protocol called Lightning, and now Craig Wright, who's Satoshi Nakamoto, is going to come in and change the code to make it faster. And then I think that's going to spark the next move up in Bitcoin. And we traded ARWR right here. And it's amazing. You know, I see, like, I go on Twitter and YouTube. Like, I go on YouTube and I'll watch my videos. Like, let's go on YouTube and let's just search, like, right here. I watched, like, Ricky before, Ricky Gutierrez. He just came on, Ricky. So here's Ricky's video right here, $985. And when it came on, Jason Bond picks him is now on. Look.
Hi, my name is Jeff Bishop. I'm the co-founder of RagingBull.com and the world's #1 high-profit options trader. Now, you've never
he's
seen
doing
like this where someone will.
So, Ricky, FYI, I know you're good in what you do, but what I do is I don't use monetization in my videos. Why would you want, you just took the time, I'm live, to go live. Why would I want Jason Bond pre-roll to happen in the beginning and in the middle of this video so people can click away from me and go join him? I'm advertising for him. No, thank you. That's why I don't monetize my videos. It's just me, folks. Pro Trader Mike. That's it. I've got an elite team. I trade on this platform every day. My team gets to see me trade on this and call out picks in the Mojo room. People are making careers and lifetime moves in the Mojo Day Trade room. Here's my website. There's no subscriptions. There's nothing. It's a franchise. It's a day trading franchise. There's no follow my option pick. I'm the best options guy on the planet. I'm the best this. I have the best. I have a group of people that have been trading with me for over 5 years, 4 years, that come every single day like I do, sit in front of the computer for 30 to 60 minutes, and we make $500, $1,000, $2,000, $3,000 a day, $4,000, $5,000, $6,000, $10,000 a day. That's it. Doesn't get really bigger than that. This is it. Why franchise with us? Because you're going to replace or exceed your prior income. Startup costs are reasonable and virtually nothing. There's a 5-step roadmap to success. You get a personal consultation. You take the university to learn the entire business. You simulate some trading before you go live. Then you go live, and then you make $250,000 a year income. It's that simple. It's the roadmap to success. This is a guy in Norway that's doing it. This is a guy in Florida that's doing it. And here's another guy, young guy in South Beach that's doing it. Gerardo. What's up, kid?
Gerard, coming to you live from Miami. I really just wanted to testify, give a little testimony.
I'll show you that back in a second, but let me just show you right over here into the Mojo room how me and my man last night right here, PTG, Pro Trader Gerardo. Dude, we were damn jamming. Look, everyone's all out of love. Well, I said it's going to take a few years to come around, just like any new startup company or idea that starts right out of the gate. It takes 5 to 10 years. Once people know what it's all about, it starts gaining traction. The early days of Bitcoin from 2009 to 2014, that's like the private placement days. Not a lot of people got involved then. Okay, everything's all out of love. That's when I like it. It's actually when Warren Buffett may change his mind right now to go buy. And I went and I accessed my freaking account. I said, you know what? At 215, I'm going to go throw a couple dollars in. I bought $2,000 worth of Ethereum at 211. I bought right there. 1969, I took $31 in commish. Within a little bit, I was already up at 2,041. It rebounded back off to 220. And right now, it's at 229 right there. And I'm doing fantastic. Well, let's see where it's at right now. It's at 224. 224 now. But that's what we did. Me and him were all over it. Great buy right here. Great buy. Made some sweet cash, man, on the crypto channel. Then this morning brought that sucker in with Roxy. See that signal? They're signaling on Roxy because NBEV did good because they're putting, what they're doing is they're putting weed, marijuana in drinks. And this company, National Beverage, is freaking going nuts. So I'm like, dude, what's another beverage company? We played Roxy. Roxy's a golden gem down here. Boom. We take Roxy. Boom, just like that. See, National Beverage right there. It was looking good this morning. 925 at 250. And coach sell before we're not trading the opening right here. We're just watching it. Okay? And now I got 20,000 at 232. I made 750 and then I lost that. 239, 232. My average was like 2 and change. Then we bought ABAC and then TVIX right here, 3262, 3283. Started making money on that. And ARWR, Heinz like 4 times, so we're going to get ARWR. And he had a good average on NBEV at 15. Mine was 20 and change. Went down to 207. And then, let's see, 318 for Mike so far. I made $323. So he made 318. I had him for $5. ABAC, I lost 645. ARWR made big, made that back, that loss on NBEV, 2550. Lost on NBEV. And TVIX made nothing in yet, 770. That turned out to be the big winner again. Taking 3245 on TVIX. Now he got 385. I got 508. Tom got 199. Quick profit on that. Beautiful job. So it's urgent. We're not trading anything under $3. It's actually $5 now. Nothing under $5. New rule. Stocks under 5. 1, too many shares you have to buy. That's the first problem with it. You have to buy a lot of shares, so the commission is higher. They make moves, small moves, so you have to be very, very fast. That's the second problem with stocks that are small, under 5. And usually they're being front-run by other day trade rooms and their moderators. Number 3, they can be manipulated easier as they drop the bid, widening the spread, making it hard to sell or buy or stopping you out, never calling out a stock under $5. So if you're sick of trading small cap stocks and losing, being stuck for the day, not knowing what to do. We're trading big name stocks. We're trading, let me show you in the room. We're trading AMD, 97 million shares. We're trading UVXY, 26 million at 9. 9 million at 34. We just traded DWT, 5.7 million right here at $7. That's what we're trading. CLDR through 17 went up $1. That's what we're trading. ARWR up $6 at 2025 went to 22. That's what we're trading. NBEV, we're not trading that no more. And if it goes higher, good for that. Mankind, not trading that stock anymore, and that's what we're doing. So let's kick it back over to the room. And my win rate on TVIX is 100%. My everything else I lose. So I'm done doing that shit. TVIX is my triangle Superman. Love it. And I'm going to go big right now on TVIX through $33. See it? 33. I'm going big. Time to make some money. Urgent. Got 5,000. 5,000 at $32.96. Unrealized $700. It's moving through 33. Got my Heinz right here, blue right through 33.19. Look, I'm up 18.43. Got 500 left. Made 2,290. Beautiful, saucy. Now I'm up to $1,900 on the day. Loving it. It's insane, baby. Sweet. And it's 10 o'clock in the morning. Here we go. You ready? Mike missed a little run, but he's up to 445. 100 on TV. Beautiful. Now, 33.50. Loaded up. Going higher. You ready? Better than a wow. 33.57. 33.64. Double damn. It's my holy shit trade play. I said holy shit. Right there. I said holy shit. Right there. It's better than wow. Said holy shit. Stock went 33.64. Double damn. 591 for the big guy. Yeah, baby. So he's going to do it again. He's going to go from 590 to 700. I'm going to 7,000. I do 10 times the size. 33.74 now. Watch it go through 34. Nasty. Ready? 33.82. Look at that spike. Oh, yeah. Mojo's in it to win it right there, and we're not selling it. Selling at 94. You ready? Lift off, baby. Lift off. I come in like a wrecking ball, kick its freaking ass at 33.72. Got 10,000 shares buying higher, 33.72. Realized right there, 4,985. Unrealized loss, 200. But wait. Badass. Here it goes. From 72 to 94. Saucy. Watch. 34.12. He's got 772. I got 7,263. Made $7,000 trading that 5,000 shares and that 10,000 shares of that stock, baby. That's how you trade. Great day. Peace. Adios, amigos. Done. We all love it. Later. Goals done for the day. The goal each day is to hit your daily goal. Be done by 11 o'clock. Today, we got done early. And if you like that, give me a thumbs up on my video, folks. It goes far. Give me a thumb. Everyone gives me the thumbs down. You can give me the thumbs up. And if you like it, subscribe. So when I do these recaps, show you what we're trading for the day and how we traded it, you'll know. Pro traders conduct trades as a business. We don't trade to have fun. We wait for the trades to present themselves. When you push trading, you get burned more than you win. Pro traders like to have high probability trades, making aggressive scores, and scoring a few times a day is enough for your business to grow by leaps and bounds as the days add up. It's a marathon and not a sprint. And the goal is to be done here every day and have an account to trade and make your American dream a reality. If you push it or get greedy, it will not work. See what kind of sales call I got here. Cello.
Account, we noticed that your business qualifies for a small business loan up to $250,000, whether you have good or bad credit. This information is free and there's no obligation. If you've been in business for at least 3 months and can fill out a simple one-page application, we'll get you working capital for your business in less than 2 days. To learn more, ask why now.
Nice. Guys, TVIX right here. Doing a little, oh no, what was dropping right here? Yeah, TV's dropping. Yeah, coming down on the 1 min. TV's dropping on the 1 min, the 1 minute. So we got a couple of good ones. The market's going to correct down to 25,777. And I called it this morning. I said if TVI, if UVXY goes to 9, that was my play this morning. I said if UVXY right here. So I said it right here. I said if UV goes to 9, TV would go to 35 at 11:28. But I had said it earlier. The holy shit play. It was in the beginning of the day. 9:58, 9:30. Right here. TV on the move. Where is it? Right here. Today at 9:12. It was when I first came in the room. It was my pick. When did TV touch 33.17 in the pre-market? So Carol, beautiful Carol, changed her avatar. 8:24. Took some TV. Ethereum, I bought at 211. Thought I put it in there. I guess it was I just was talking about it. Didn't have time to write it. Cool. UV's at 907. DWT just Hines, new high 702. That's what we're in right now. You see it right here. We're in DWT. right here. New trade right here. DWT looks good to go into 7. We bought it at 685. Bought more at 90. Bought more at 95. Bought more at 97, and now it's 702. See, those are all the buys, and that happened just a couple of minutes ago. And now it's 7 by 702. That happened at 11:36 a.m. I just told everyone to start buying the DWT. And our little Roxy's moving down there on the bottom too. 110 on Roxy. DWT over 7. Beautiful. So who's in it? Randy, Patsy, and Mikey D. Nice job, guys. All right, let's see what's happening with YouTube if anyone's there. Hey, what's going on there, Mr. Bruce Wayne? How you doing? Nice to see you. He did good. And that's it. So that's why I don't do the pre-roll. Listen, man, this shit's flooded with freaking the internet. Every time I go on the damn internet, I go onto YouTube to watch a video, I fucking see the Jason Bond guy. It's like, you can give it a fucking rest. You know what I'd be pissed about? You know what I'd be pissed about? I'd be pissed that, like, they just did this thing, and they charged $39.99, and now 3 weeks later, I guess they haven't gotten a lot of sales. It's 2,000 off. So 2 weeks ago, if I would have paid $39.99 and now they're selling that same freaking shit cheaper, it'd be done. Speed Trader, recommendation, he's getting nixed by Speed Trader. This guy's getting into it too. He's got an ad. He's taking ads out because he's getting referral bonuses from Speed Trader, dude. This guy, I've been told him about the other day, this guy right here, Patrick, why is Speed Trader so good? I get cheaper commissions than he does. Let's listen.
I'm excited to announce some big news. Big news, not just for me, but big news for you guys as well. I'm excited to announce that I have officially partnered with Speed Trader.
Yeah.
Now, you're probably wondering, what does that mean? You're partnered with Speed Trader.
By the way, I went to college with the CEO of Speed Trader. I've been working with them for a long time.
What? Well, let's
see what he got.
Let's talk about why I'm doing this or what's going on. So over the last couple months, I've been talking about how I want a new broker or trying to find a new broker, blah, blah, blah. And people have been asking, what are you doing? When are you going to change? What's the deal? Well, today is the day. Well, not really today, but I'm officially changing over to Speed Trader. Now, I'm going to be traveling a bunch in June, so my plan is when I start traveling, I'm going to start moving money around, getting my all set up and all that. So you can see that soon. But let's just talk about really quickly why I chose Speed Trader and what the whole deal is and how this deal is going to be good for you guys, not just for me.
Oh, he did. He got $2.95 commission.
Might be a pretty good deal for you guys.
He did.
But I went and I tried out all the different brokers. I talked to a lot of different brokers. I looked at every single platform out there. Went from point A to point B. E-Trade, TD Ameritrade, all the major brokers. Then I tried out some of the smaller brokers.
He's got a link.
I looked at some other options.
See his link?
Nothing that really.
That's where he gets paid.
So I came back. I talked to Speed Trader. I like that Speed Trader allows me to use Dash Trader Pro, so I can still use the same platform. I don't need to change anything. It's all going to be licensing and deals and insurance and brokers. So if I place my order, it's going to go into TD Ameritrade and then to the market. With direct market access, I'm going direct to the market. Think about this. There's a lot of times when we're trading, and some of these stocks that we're trading, it's a split-second move. That's another $150 in the bank. Pretty excited about that. Platform-wise, you got everything. That's going to be a game changer. I think it's really going to change my P&L. Speed Traders, direct market access with over 25 routing options. So that's
he finally figured that out.
I think it's really going to change my P&L.
It will.
And, the commissions alone are really going to cut into my P&L. That's going to cut it in half. So if I'm paying $304 a month in commissions, Boom. I just cut it in half. That's what
300-400 a month, 300-400 a day.
Platform-wise, you got everything you need. Speed Trader Pro, it's basically just Dash Trader Pro. You got everything you need.
Get to the commissions.
Go through there and use that. Also, you can sign up. They've got literally everything. They got the mobile app. They got downloadable desktop app as well. You can also set it all up. You can use it. And then in terms of support, I think he's got the transfers and fees and all this deal done, and then offer it to you guys. Like I said, I did this deal not just for people who think of swim now. Maybe you're trading each week. You can use Speed Trader, sweet tools, and like out there right now, unless you just have some crazy broker deal. But I think for most people who are getting into day trading, who are maybe looking for that next edge, that next big broker, a real broker, $295 per trade, you cannot beat that. And I'm pretty excited to announce officially that me and Speed Trader, well, we're becoming friends. We're becoming close friends. Definitely check out their website, check out the link below, and sign up today. And I'll be there very soon. So I'll talk to you guys later on.
It's funny. Good job, Patrick. I've been dealing with Speed Trader for many years. Here's my learning board on Speed Trader. We opened the account with $27,000 due to a $2,000 leeway. You don't want to trade around the PDT rule. 4-to-1 buying power. You keep 100% of your profits. The ticket. This was years ago. The tickets are, like he said, $3 and lower. 150 platform fee because it's the Dash Trader. Remote access worldwide. Online reporting, and they assist in the MOJO tuition rebate program. So shall you take MOJO University, graduate, send Allah your certificate and PayPal receipt to the contact that I have over at Speed Trader. They'll lower your commissions by 25% until you make back the fee for MOJO University, because they want my traders over at Speed Trader, because my traders win. And that's why I have a great relationship with Speed Trader. They're part of my tuition rebate program for MOJO University. Well, let's go back and see if any new mining videos are here. Man, the freaking Ethereum dropped to 211. I can't believe it. It's going to be harder to get back to 1,000, that's all. Everyone's bearish on the mining. Mining crypto. Is mining dying? ASIC VOSC a month ago. It's a month ago. We don't want a month ago. A year ago. We want recent. Filter. This week. 4 days ago. Stop using WD-40. Crypto just coming back. It is? Cool. Mining with the honey miner. Ooh, this guy's got a big operation right there. Tech Cash House. Bitcoin mining in September. Big operation. Oh, he's just showing different operations. That's all.
Experiment or set of numbers. And welcome back to another video here today at the
I like him.
Cash House.
This guy, Tech Cash, is a good YouTube guy.
Video, I will be examining Bitcoin mining for the month. Now, this is mining at the moment, so if you're watching this video a week or a month or 3 months after it's published, the figures and numbers are probably no longer accurate. But it's still interesting to take a look at all of the numbers and see how they match up, even if you are watching the video a couple of months in the future. So with that being said, another quick disclaimer. Bitcoin mining right now really isn't all that profitable. I will go ahead and say it. But if you do have very cheap electricity, or you're able to mine for free with free electricity, then it is still able to
nice operation right there.
Of course, if you're anything like me, you believe that Bitcoin's value will rise in the future. And if you do trip cost for each experiment or set of numbers that we'll be running, 0%, because pull fees aren't as significant as they once were.
See the air coming through the floors?
A slightly smaller
Actually, that's probably raised.
Than they.
That's probably because it's raised off. If water came in, it would go through there probably. I don't think air goes through there.
used to. You will probably still have to pay pool fees, but I will be ignoring the cheaper miners, including USB miners, that are fun for hobby mining, but they aren't necessarily going to be extremely profitable. Then the Antminer S9, the Avalon 741, the Avalon 6, and
Nice operation. Look at that with the vents over here coming down off those tubes. Nice operation.
the Sponduli's SP20E miner, or an enclosed space like an Army barracks.
Holy shit, look at all those
I would discourage you
wires.
from doing that. These miners put out a lot of 7. So the S7 mines at 4,730 gigahashes per second, or 4.73 terahashes per second. It uses 1,600 watts of lose $17.08 per kilowatt hour. If you paid that sum for each kilowatt hour, then you would never break even. However, if you pay nothing for power, you'd actually still earn $470 per year, which means that you would break even back in December of 2017. Now, obviously, prices are down, but they're still pretty hefty machines. These mine at roughly 13,500 gigahashes per second. Depending on the model, it might be slightly higher or lower per year, which isn't all that bad, paying 10 cents per kilowatt hour. Now, moving on, let's cover the slightly less expensive, actually about a quarter of the cost of the 741, the Avalon 6. Now, this is a pretty nice little miner. It's inexpensive, has a pretty decent hash rate, nothing astronomical, and the power use is a little too hefty for my liking. The hardware here is $100, and you might be thinking, that's a really be losing money.
Oh, there's Dave. That's Dave Carlson.
However, if you're planning on selling all of your coins the day that you mine them, I would really encourage you not to mine right now. Because quite frankly, if you're paying a decent amount of money per kilowatt hour, which most people are, in fact.
Look at all those mines. Look at his cards, dude. He has no fan. Look at all the just chips. One, two, three. Guy's got a lot of action going on, man.
An average number of people are out of every country. You will.
TV's gonna Heinz 35.
And I kind of want to warn everyone, buying a $100 miner like the Sponduli's SP20E can be very enticing of money. And
that was nice. I'm live now. Anybody else live now? Nope. Well, let's check out the TV. It's 3477. All right, let's check out mining, another one. Stop mining at a loss. 33 minutes. I've received a lot of comments over the last week advising, should I continue to mine? Let me see what this guy's got to say. Mining's at a low right now, for sure.
I'm going to show you how this dinky little sewing machine makes us over.
I'm covering the cost out of my pocket to run my mining operation, and I'm holding the coins. If I mine 10 coins this month of Ethereum, and Ethereum in 24 months goes back to 1,000, I just made $1,000. I just made $10,000 this month. That's how I'm looking at it. Just a longer-term investment.
Over the last week as GP.
Because I'm just keeping my machines running. As long as they spit coins out, I'll keep my computer running. Why not? I don't care. Electricity is a byproduct, because in 2 years, if the coins are back up in price, electricity is a misnomer. It doesn't have anything to do with anything.
Few main profits.
And if not, I lost on my investment. Big deal. I'm used to doing those kind of things.
Or lack of them. You know, it's not a great time to be a GPU miner right now. Profits are minimal. Or
I'm mining Raven coins. Fine.
And this was something that I've
still profitable.
A lot of last week in my life.
Mining Raven coin, $5,000 a month. Still profitable by 27%.
I'm selling all my 1066 gigabyte graphics.
1060s won't work.
Good title for the video, isn't it? So that video got a lot of attention. Because a lot of those comments, some of them were, you know, they were saying things like, "I'm disappointed in you, Kevin, a couple of cents per day," or like a factor in now electricity accounts for, well, pretty much 100% of the profits that I make. It really is that bad. Now,
everything he makes, he has to give back to keep the operation going, like I would have to do. But I'm just keeping it going out of my pocket and trading, and money I make off trading, like with the crypto, I just made 15% last night to today. That keeps me going with the mining, man. They don't have any other alternatives. I'm the best trader in the world. It's easy for me. These guys don't know how to day trade, do Hines on freaking an off-stopping station on Ethereum or trade the stock market. They don't know what they're doing.
There's a lot of people that don't understand how much of a factor electricity can be in your mining profits. At the start of the year, I didn't care about electricity. I was running my cars, you know, at higher power rating. I wasn't going down at 55, 60% like I am now, because I was making $70, $80 per day. I wasn't caring if my electricity bill was an extra few dollars a day. But when the profits keep going down, well, electricity becomes a bigger factor, and now electricity accounts for, well,
no, it doesn't. If you have to sell the coins, it does. But now if you don't have to sell them.
Now, they say not to feed the trolls. If they, you know, it's like an overly dramatic, I'm leaving and this is why I'm leaving type thing. Live stream the other day. It was that I disagree with.
I don't like what he's talking about. Here's Brandon Coin. He's talking about GPU, ASIC, and FPGA now. Ugh, this guy cried because he donated to a dachshund charity. I mean, yeah. Content's not getting real too good here on YouTube. See what she's got to say.
Hi, my name is MOJO, founder of Premarket, the world's largest trading academy.
Another trader.
Went towards $7,400 before starting a dramatic path of decline. Today we saw a drop below 6,500.
Where's the girl? There she is.
Reports are circulating around the Goldman Sachs may not go ahead with plans to open a cryptocurrency.
I would have stopped it. If she didn't come on and start talking right now, I would have left it immediately.
Trading desk.
It's cute.
According to the Business Insider,
I love smart,
the bank is
blonde, cute girls.
As there's still plenty of uncertainty surrounding cryptocurrency regulations. Instead, Goldman Sachs wants to offer a crypto product to serve its big institutional clients.
See your eyes light up.
The company's spokesperson told the Business Insider in response to client interest. And Bitcoin Diamond is the biggest loser out of the top 30 cryptocurrencies today, suffering losses of more than 30% over the past 24 hours.
What else is going on? Bitmain is losing Bitcoin's competitive edge. Let's see what this says.
The $15 billion Bitcoin mining firm Bitmain is losing its competitive edge. Next on your 4-Minute Crypto Daily News.
Cool, I like this.
Hey guys, welcome to 4-Minute Crypto. Today's show is from a post by Joshua Wilmot at ccn.com and is brought to you by Turnkey Mining. Are you interested in mining crypto but have no idea how to start? Well, look at the turnkey solution offered at turnkeymining.com. And before I start, I want to remind you to like, subscribe, and share. All those really do help the show. Now, the bad news continues to pile up for Bitcoin mining giant Bitmain ahead of its historic public offering.
What was that called? Turnkeymining.com?
Giant Bitmain ahead of its historic public offering. Bloomberg market research firm Stanford C. Bernstein & Company has published a report about the China-based Bitmain. Bitmain is the world's largest manufacturer of application-specific integrated circuit devices, which are also known as ASICs. Now, these ASIC miners dominate the cryptocurrency mining industry. Largest esteemed outlet for Bitcoin share. All at turnkeymining.com.
Turnkeymining.com. That's what I just did.
Mining.com.
Turnkeymining.com.
Like, subscribe, and share.
Turnkeymining.com. Not secure.
Continues to pile up for Bitcoin mining giant Bitmain ahead of its historic public offering. Bloomberg market research firm Stanford C. Bernstein & Company has published a report about the China-based Bitmain. Bitmain is the world's largest manufacturer of application-specific integrated circuit of the cryptocurrency market. Additionally, Bernstein recommended that the Taiwan Semiconductor Manufacturing Company should not expand its capacity solely to meet increasing demand for cryptocurrency mining. March 31st, Bitmain had more than 1 million Bitcoin cash on its balance sheets. Those funds are now approximately worth $530 million, which is in a decrease of approximately $350 million when the figures were published less than 5 months ago. That was during Q1 2018. Bitmain reported it brought in $1.1 billion in profit. However, plunging cryptocurrency prices have tightened the company's margins, and Bernstein's report indicates that rival firms such as Leland, and don't forget to join me every weekday morning.
Boring. Bitcoin Diamond gained 200%. TVIX mining. Claymore's version, Monero. Claymore's got a version 11 point and change. What I'm on. I'm mining Ravencoin. Again, Kyle. Fucking these guys are incredible, man. There he is. Another one of Jason's fucking looty crew.
Clear and concise goal matched with the interest of keeping the network as decentralized as possible. All right, enough suspense. This one is about Ravencoin. Now, before I go on, I do want to specify that this is not a paid video. Ravencoin doesn't even know I'm making this video, actually, but after hearing about it from a few people, I decided to take a look. Before I dive into what exactly it is that I like about Ravencoin, I should first explain that I've recently begun reading Nassim Taleb's book, Skin in the Described. But now you generally know what my mind has been services their platform can provide. So Ravencoin is a use case specific blockchain for declaration of ownership of assets. Clear and simple. They acknowledge the foundation that the Bitcoin network has afforded them and the fact that Bitcoin is focused on being a better form of money. Now, blockchains are a great concept can be applied to other epic shifts in how things expensive specialized hardware to mine. In fact, the particular mining algorithm used constantly disrupts the ordering of the hashing
ASIC free, baby.
ASIC hardware ineffective. Now, lastly, they encourage the use of smaller mining pools. As with the use of their ASIC resistant mining algorithm, Ravencoin sees the problems of centralization that are plaguing Bitcoin and are doing what they can now at the start of the network to avoid them.
Love it. Mining the Ravencoin, baby. Someone new came on Ethereum. Look, 2 people from 1 million. Oh, they were there yesterday. 1.9 and 1.7 million. 2 people came on yesterday. It was a TH1. This guy's got 5,000 rigs. Oh, this is the same guy. Just split up his rigs. Same guy. Another. Oh, yeah. And the guy came on here yesterday. 1.9 million hash rate. Testing machines or something like that. Let's see if he's in another pool. Nano pool. Ethereum Classic. Nah, not that big. Zcash. Yeah, we got a 4.4 million on Zcash. Guy's running 90 machines, all Z9 minis, Z9s, 53,000 per machine. Jeez Louise. Making 60,000 a month on 5 million. It's unbelievable. 70,000 souls used to make 60,000 a month. Now it takes 4.4 million. Amazing. Monero. 7 million on Monero. Electronium. People like Electronium now. 30 million. See, there's a big miner on Electronium right now. 30 million mega hash. Very consistent. Oh, he has a big balance. He has 114 machines. Making no money. $9,600 a month. Amazing. On 30 million hash rate. 114 machines. Amazing. ETH mining pools. 5 best Ethereum mining pools. ETH pool and F2 pool. See, I'm in this nano pool. I'm going to switch. ETH pool. And Ether mine. Here's ETH pool. I'm already on this. I already have this. This guy's hash rate has 13 workers. Nice. Reported hash rate. Nice looking pool. And EO, it's the same as Ether mine. This is the one I want too. Very good. What's the other one? F2 pool. And dwarf pool. Here's Ethereum. 707,433,000. That's a lot of mega hash in this pool. See if anything came out with Dr. Craig Wright today. Fascinated by this guy, invented Bitcoin. Sums up perfectly what cryptocurrency is meant to be. Bitcoin is Turing. Let's find out what that is, right? It says blockchain could pass the sentence test. Despite the massive influx and interest in funding of AI blockchain technology, several large hurdles need to clear before it becomes adopted by members of the scientific community as a computational informational technology. The naysayers argue that the blockchain is overshadowed by methods that aren't effective in solving computational queries. Chief among them is the Turing machine, an old machine which was used to make calculations back in the 30s. The machine of interest, computer science, for its ability to calculate any number. But according to claimant Satoshi Nakamoto throne, Dr. David Wright, Bitcoin's blockchain could function as a Turing complete machine. That means Bitcoin's blockchain could solve any kind of problem that the massively powerful Turing machine could conceivably solve. This could be an incredible realization if proven to be true, an obstacle which Bitcoin is yet to overcome. Craig himself stirred up controversy, man behind Satoshi. Bitcoin Cash. He's working on N-Chain. What is N-Chain? Show you what that is. No, it's not working. All right, no new news today. But this is the guy that could change it. He's the guy that wrote it. All right, what do we got? Look at the end of the day here, and we'll wrap her up. $35 on TVIX, headed through. Watch that go through 35 and close her out. Easy trade through 35. The anticipation's killing me. Anticipation is making me wait. Alright, what else? That's about it, guys. Thanks for watching my show. Take a piece of TVIX through 35. Give me a little subscribe down there in the corner so when I go live, you'll get notified, and give me a video a like. Would be much, much appreciated.